Hello, good morning everyone. Today ay magluluto tayo ng cheesy rice. Our ingredients are oil, garlic, onions, shrimp, chili powder optional, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green peas, diced carrots in small, spring onions, mushroom, 2 eggs, spinach, cheddar cheese, and mozzarella cheese. Okay, we'll start cooking now. We'll turn on our stove. Medium high heat. We're gonna cook first the 2 eggs. Gonna put a little bit of oil first for egg to fry. So we're gonna season the eggs before we fry it, just a little bit. Going to fry the eggs now. We're gonna separate this for a while, set aside. And now, gonna put the oil again, and we'll start cooking the rest of our ingredients. Hindi natin siya linisin sa eggs lang naman yun. So, garlic first. Onions. Smells nice. Onions and garlic. And next is the shrimp. Next one, we're gonna put the chili powder, but optional though. If you don't like spicy, just don't use chili powder. But we love spicy, so why not? Next one is the mushroom. Just basically this is mix everything up. Green peas. Yellow capsicum or bell pepper. The green bell pepper. Carrots. Diced in small pieces. Gonna put the eggs now. Baby spinach. Baby spinach optional. If you don't have baby spinach, just leave it. So we just mix it around until everything is mixed together and cooked. Season with salt and pepper. Gonna put cheddar cheese, grated cheddar cheese. Gonna put the mozzarella cheese. I use 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. And now we're going to put the rice. We need to mix it together with the rice. Look at the cheese. Stretchy cheese, mozzarella. Mozzarella cheese is very good. Just cook the rice until mixed well and combine all the ingredients. So you better use 2 spatula. Toppings with the cheddar cheese now in a low fire. There you go. So yeah, and I put the cover. The cheese starting to melt. Oh, as you can see, the cheese are all melted and it's ready for us to taste. Oh yan, heto na. I will try this first. The cheesy rice. Napakasarap. So delicious. Especially pag spicy. But subukan nyo na. Napakadali ng lutuin. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.